Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so incredibly excited for today's video. It is going to be my Beautylish Lucky Box unboxing. It has been at least 1 year, if not 2 years, since I've done a Beautylish Lucky Bag. Last year I planned to, and then I totally forgot by the time I remembered and like logged onto the site to do the Lucky Bag. They were all sold out. If you are not familiar, Beautylish, the website, does these lucky bags every year. It costs, I think, $75, and there's supposed to be at least $150 worth of products inside. I don't feel like, I'm trying to think, I've done for sure 2 lucky bags in the past, if not 3. And I don't feel like anything has been like that exciting. Like, I've never gotten something that's like so exciting, but they're just like still like the concept of the mystery box in general is super fun to me. So this showed up in my mail today. I was not expecting it, and I will be unboxing it with you for the first time. I wasn't planning to film today, and then when this came, I was like, I need to put my makeup on right away so I can open this up and see what's inside. So if you are curious about what came in my Beautylish Lucky Bag, stay tuned first. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel and you like project painting content or just chit-chatting about makeup, I'd love if you'd consider subscribing before moving on. And other than that, let's jump into the video. You guys, my latest obsession is, because I'm trying to cut back on energy drinks, but I love to drink carbonated things, and I like carbonated water, but like right now my new obsession is the Zevia creamy root beer. I also like the regular root beer, but the creamy root beer, it just hits different, you know? Okay, you guys, I have not looked inside. I'm so excited yet so nervous. What if I'm disappointed? So this is what it looks like on the top. Oh boy. I'm literally going to close my eyes and not look, except for I want to see what this, oh, this is just like, they do always wrap this up so cute. This is what the little tag looks like. Okay, closing my eyes. What do we think? Is this just like, yep, that's just tissue paper. Okay, does this more tissue? Yep. Okay, I want to like, okay, oh, I think it's all like wrapped together in bubble wrap. Okay. Oh, I'm so nervous. I hope I get stuff that like I don't already own and that I'm actually excited about. Okay, here we go, here we go. Okay, the first thing feels really light. It's in a square box. What do you think this is? Do you think this is like skincare? Oh, okay. It's from Briogeo, which I like the brand Briogeo, but I don't know if I'll get much use out of this because I have a product like this and I like rarely ever reach for it. This is the Briogeo Stimulating Therapy Massager. It's like a scalp massager. So, okay. Can you guys tell my like disappointment? Like, don't really care about this, but that's okay. Maybe I'll end up really loving this more than the one that I currently have. It has a nice little thing that I can hang in my shower. Okay, well, moving on to the next. What is next? Okay, next up, what do we think this is? Too big to be a lipstick, it feels like, but okay. So this is from Good Molecules, which usually I feel like there's always a Good Molecules product in the Beautylish Lucky Bags because Good Molecules is like a more affordable skincare brand that I believe is like a Beautylish brand. So this is the hydrating face oil. This is the ultra hydrating face oil. I feel like this is really small. This is what it looks like. I've tried quite a few Good Molecule products, but I don't think I've tried the face oil. I also live in Minnesota, so it's always very dry here. So I feel like I can't go wrong with a face oil. So I actually am kind of excited about that. I want to get like some makeup. Okay, what do we think this is? This is from MOB. It is a cream clay blush, which I can't remember who I just heard talking about an MOB cream blush, and I was excited to try it, except for, is this really like how it's packaged? Like, I'm confused. Was I supposed to keep this? I'm a little bit confused. And this looks to be a pretty sheer cream blush. How am I going to like, is this like, Oh, I think there's a magnet, so I can put this in like a Z palette, but is that gonna keep it like fresh? I don't know. This is what the shade looks like. This actually looks like it'll be a really, really beautiful cream blush shade for like spring and summertime. And I've never tried anything from, is it Mob Beauty or MLB Beauty? I don't know. Never tried anything from them, so excited about that. I just realized I haven't been talking about like prices of things because, well, I don't have a list of them. If you guys are curious, I can link the prices down below with the products. So far, I'm a little let down. So far. How many products do we think we have left? I feel like a curl of a possible brush set, which if I got like a high-end brush set, I would be happy about that. I'm gonna wait and save that for last. I don't feel like there's a palette in here, which I'm a little bit sad about because like I feel like people get Natasha Denona palettes all the time. My nose is running. What is this? Ooh, this is from Wayne Goss. Okay. I have been wanting to try the Wayne Goss eyeshadow palettes, but I'm excited to try this. This is a cream lipstick in the shade Macadamia, which actually looks like it's a really beautiful, ooh, nude shade, which sometimes I feel like in mystery boxes you get like the shades that like nobody wants, and this actually looks like a nude I would love. Oh yeah, it looks like, okay, yes, that looks like a pale nude that I can really get down with. This looks like my vibe. It is called, I believe, the Luxury Cream Lipstick, which I actually prefer like a creamy lipstick, so I'm really excited about this. Okay, this I am excited about. Okay, and then I get to try something from Wayne Goss. Okay, things are turning around. Things are turning around. Like I said, hopefully what I felt in the bottom is a brush set, which I would be excited about. What's this, an eyeliner? A lip liner, a lip pencil, also from Wayne Goss. Okay, I'm excited about this. I actually am. Okay, things are turning around. This is the Essential Lip Pencil in the shade Natural Berry, which I am not a huge lip pencil gal, but you know what? That's okay. I actually feel like I kind of like that. And then with, well, I don't necessarily know that this matches. Here, let me swatch it like right by the, there is the lip liner and then there's the lipstick. I don't necessarily know that those two go together perfectly, but this feels like a more stiff wooden pencil that I feel like could be pretty long lasting, and I am excited to try some Wayne Goss because it is one of those brands that's like been on my radar for quite some time, but I just haven't purchased because it is a more expensive brand. So okay, there might be like a smaller palette in here. There's 2 more products before we get to the thing that feels like hopefully a rolled up brush set. I hope. I feel like, am I setting myself up for like major letdown at the end here? Okay, another product from Mob. Oh, it's a compact to put that blush in. Okay, I'm feeling better about this now. Now I'm feeling better even about the cream blush. I feel like I have heard really good things about the Mob Beauty cream blushes, and I'm just gonna swatch that again. I actually am really excited about that, and I got a little compact to put that in, which makes me happy because I was, for a moment there, thinking like, okay, how am I gonna preserve this? Except for how do I put this in? Hold on. How do I? Well, hold on one second. Okay, I'm struggling to figure out, like I just tried to stick a pin through this to get the pan to come out and I can't. So I'm gonna set that aside because I'm getting frustrated with that. Okay, what else do we have? We have 2 more things. We have this and then the thing I think is a brush set. What's this? Ooh, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Easy Eye Palette. Okay. This is exciting because I've tried the Charlotte Tilbury quads before, but never anything larger. So I actually am really excited about this. I have no idea what the, okay, the color story just looks like kind of like your average everyday color story, like very typical Charlotte Tilbury-esque. I feel like this could be a great travel palette for me, and Charlotte Tilbury palettes are obviously way more expensive than like your average everyday eyeshadow. So okay, I'm actually feeling very happy about that. Now I'm looking at my things and I'm like, I'm really happy with my box. And now the last thing, which I hope I'm super excited about. We'll see. What is it, you guys? Am I gonna like die of excitement or be really upset? Okay, whatever this is, my heart is like kind of racing right now because I've wanted to try like a Wayne Goss brush set or a Sonia G brush set for so long, but like can't get myself to spend the money. Plus I feel like, thinking about me and my makeup consumption, like it would be better if I got like a brush set, like a high-end, high-quality brush set rather than like a ton of makeup. I'm scared. What do we think it is? It's brushes. What are they? What are these? What brand is this? I'm not sure. Can I not read the brand back here? Unit 103. Ooh, these feel so nice. Does it give? I don't know what brand it is though. Okay, hold on 1 second. Give me 1 second. And it's a full face brush set, which the spoiled brat side of me would probably have said I would have preferred an eye brush set, but I will take it. Okay, I'm gonna look on the website really quick and look at what brushes these are. Okay, you guys, I'm laughing to myself slightly because I was so excited about this brush set, saying like, oh, it's gonna make my box worth it because maybe it's a Sonia G brush set, when indeed it is not. This is the brand Unit, which I don't know if that's like a brush brand by Beautylish, but it's not quite as high quality as Sonia G, but these do still actually feel really nice, and I'm kind of excited to just have some different like face brushes. Like some of these shapes I definitely don't have in my collection, so I'm really excited about the brush set in general. So to recap, we got the brush set, we got the MOB Beauty Cream Blush and Compact. We got the Wayne Goss Lipstick and Lip Liner. We got the Briogeo Scalp Revival Scalp Scrubber. The Good Molecules Face Hydrating Face Oil. And then the Charlotte Tilbury Easy Eye Palette for the Charlotte Darling look. Overall, I would say I'm happy. I'm personally like, I'm happy with my box. I'm actually like excited about the products. Do I think it was the best Lucky box that's ever been crafted? No. But I'm excited about my products and I'm not gonna let that burst my bubble. So that is everything that I got in my Beautylish Lucky Box. If you did the Beautylish Lucky Box, let me know what you got in yours in the comments below. Other than that, thank you guys so much for sticking around to watch today's video and for supporting my channel as you guys always do. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.